Sharat from MGG. In this video, we are going to unbox the JBL T110 In-ear headphones and we will review it. Let's get started. And guys, this is the JBL T110 In-ear headphones box, and I got it via Paytm for around 710 rupees with a good cashback offers. You can get it. The MRP mentioned here is 1290, but you can get it for around 850 to 899 via Flipkart and Amazon as well. And I will prefer Paytm over other websites because the price difference is too high comparing to other websites. So buy it from Paytm. That's a good choice, and let's get unbox it. First, let us see the features in the headphones. This comes with an inline microphone with a dedicated call attend and decline button. And we have a 3 size earbuds included in the box. One is installed in the headphones itself, and it says tangle free flat cable. This should be tangle free. So the JBL mentioned it as a pure bass sound technology, so the bass should be good at this price range. Let's open it. First we have some paperwork and the starting guide, stuffs like that. Let me keep this, and the 2 pair of earbuds included in the box are here, and the other one is already installed in the headphones itself. Let's take these headphones out. Let us keep these stuffs around, and looks great. And 3.5 mm headphone jack is a gold plated one. Let me take a closer look at this. And this area is slightly tapered, and I don't know the exact purpose of it. And it has a tangle free flat cable, which is not that tangle free in my opinion. And as I said in the earlier, the microphone here, the dedicated call attend and decline button, it is so tacky, and the JBL branding behind the microphone. And we get the ergonomic design here, so it fits snug in the ears. And as I told you, the orange tint in this looks so cool, and the earbuds is so soft, so the listening music for longer period should be comfortable, and should not feel any pain in the ears. And the JBL logo is at the back as well. Let me show you. Yeah, the branding, the JBL logo and the JBL branding in the behind the headphones, that look good. And the logo is everywhere in the headset, in the headphones, 3.5 headphone jacks, the middle one, and the microphone, and as well as the earbuds. And it has a 9 mm driver, so the sound should be good in my opinion. And this tag says the made in China. Let me give a zoom it and show you. And yeah, made in China. Okay, that's it for now. And here is the two pair of earbuds included in the box. And let me see this. And this one is, yeah, this one is the small one, and this one is the larger one. And the medium, if it is already installed in the headphones itself, you can see it here. And the box says it's a pure based technology, so the bass amount is so good in this headphones. So, and then it says the tangle free, the microphones and all the stuffs it has. And it has a frequency response around 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, and the 9 mm dynamic driver, the 3.5 mm tapered headphones, gold plated one. And the call button function is tap one time for call, attend and decline. And while playing music, tap one time for play and pause, and two times for the next track, and three times for the previous track. So that's it. And then the back of the box says that the same pure based technology microphone and the tangle free, the same stuffs. Okay, now I will let you know how it sounds, and I will review it after listening to some period. And okay, thank you guys. I have been using this JBL T110 In-ear headphones for around 2 months, and I have been using it in the phones like Honor 6X, OnePlus 3T, and Moto G5S Plus as well. And the sound output is so good in these headphones. The bass amount, the mids and highs are so good. And when comparing to one more piston headphones and House of Marley headphones, the one more piston is very cheap headphones, because the sound output is not that great in the for the price range. It cost around 900 or 999, I think so, which is greater than this JBL T110 headphones. And quality of the one more piston is also not that great comparing to JBL T110. And when comparing to House of Marley, the bass amount is so high in the House of Marley, but the clarity is not that great as JBL T110. And the main advantage in the House of Marley headphones is it has a braided cable, and 2 years of warranty. Whereas the JBL T110 has a tangle free normal flat cable and 1 year manufacturer warranty. So if you are a rough user, you can go with the House of Marley. And if you want really good sound output, definitely go for JBL T110. And guys, thanks for watching this video. Click the like button if you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel MGG. Take care. This is Sharad signing off. Bye.